Hello guys, today I'm going to unbox resin art kit. Let's start. Here with my trusty scissors. I've waited so long to open this. Alright, we have some sparkles, cup, and no, it's crystal clear epoxy, and this is hardener. Alright, and these are so this is the main resin, and this is the hardener, and this is the color one. Oh, these are molds. They are different shapes. First, I will show you. There are many molds and instructions and many keychains and one more mold. For very hygienic people, there are gloves as well. It is very small. And some ice cream sticks. So I'm going to show you the molds. Now some ASMR. I think I have opened all. So let's see everyone use. So in here, this one they are for earrings. These are for keychains and your best friend, and this is for some sort of bookmark. So I'm going to also open these one. So I will see what is these exactly. So there are some sort of powder I can see here. Oh, this is a paint. So I think it is same with the black one as well. This is for the hardener and the raising cup. This is for earrings. There are here silver and gold. Now, next are keychains. Silver key rings you can see here very clearly. They are gold and silver. Alright, so let's see what else are left. Oh yeah, my most favorite one, sparkles. Or we can say glitter as well. These are also, I think, colors like these one. It's so hard to open. So I have finally opened it and it looks like something sort of sparkle. Wow. It would be best for raisins and earring. Alright, let's see the just sparkle one. Alright. So we have this gold one, these gold charms. This is to stick in your raisin arts. Alright. Alright, I forgot about this one. This is the biggest one in this part here. right. This mold is like something in this box like that. So we will make something like this with this mold. It will be so interesting. So I'm just cleaning it back. Because we have to be tidy and every time. If you want, I could make a video on it and show you how to make it. There are many ideas here, but I will make all of them and making a video with you guys. So for now, bye bye. We will see you in the next video where I will make a new resin art. Bye bye.